Hey everyone, today I'm going to review and demonstrate this really awesome battery detector. So this is really cool because you don't actually need a power source or even a battery to have it operate. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use it. I also want to call out how small and cute this is. Really nice for storage and even keeping in a tool belt or a back pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how you would use this tool for a couple different types of batteries. So the first one is a D. Just go ahead and make sure the bottom is touching the bottom and the top is touching the top. And as you can see here, the little screen shows up to show that I have full battery power and it's in good condition. So the C battery here, this is the smaller one of that. This is actually going to go a little diagonal here until the top touches, and same thing, then you get your reading. So the third one here is the typical AA. You're gonna go ahead and insert that in. Same thing, same spot, just place it so that the bottom is touching. So as you can see here, that is actually blinking. So it's saying that it's almost dead here, so it is in weak and poor condition. So this battery needs to either be recharged or replaced. Same thing for AAA batteries. You want to just go ahead and slant it just a slight bit more. As you can see here, make sure it's nice and tight, and then you'll get your reading, as you can see here. So it also does these really awesome 9-volt batteries. So these are the hardest to detect, but this little tool here will do it for you. So you just want to place the 2 spokes on these 2 pieces here. So I'm just going to go ahead and tilt so that they both touch, and you get your reading. So as you can see, that battery was full. And the coolest thing about this is that even these small little batteries here, there's a little divot on the bottom. You can go ahead and insert that in, and you're going to also get a reading. So as you can see here, there's that reading. So like I said, you just hold it on the bottom. So if you get confused on how to use this product, no worries. The back of it actually has little descriptions here. So you can see this one says D, and then they're all labeled. So it's really easy to use in case you forget. So this is a really powerful tool, very small, easy, convenient to carry around, but definitely something that's useful for detecting how much battery life is left in your batteries. So overall, I do recommend this product. I think it's very nifty, very functional. I hope that you found my review helpful, seeing how to use each one, and I appreciate you watching.